The Outvita Fish Cleaning Table OT-001 is constructed from high-density polyethylene and features robust steel legs, ensuring a sturdy and reliable platform for your outdoor needs. This portable table is perfect for camping enthusiasts, as it is designed to be easily stowed in your vehicle, freeing up space for other essential items. The multifunctional desktop includes a foldable and rotatable faucet, dual sinks, knife grooves, and a garbage bag slot, providing a comprehensive solution for outdoor cleaning tasks. The table's clever design incorporates a flexible hose for easy water source connection and adjustable drainage pipes to keep your surroundings dry and tidy. With its user-friendly installation process, the Outvita Fish Cleaning Table can be set up quickly, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor adventures. An added grid rack beneath the desktop offers extra storage space, making it a versatile addition to any camping setup.